Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this overview reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we're taking a look at Nexicom, found at nexicom.net. Nexicom appears to be a telecommunications company providing a variety of services including internet, phone, and television options. While their website doesn't delve into extensive technical details, it does highlight several key features and benefits they offer their customers. A prominent aspect of their marketing seems to be a focus on local community involvement and personalized customer service. They emphasize their commitment to connecting people and businesses within their service area, suggesting a strong focus on regional support. Navigating the site, you'll find sections dedicated to residential and business services. They appear to offer various internet packages, likely catering to different speed and bandwidth requirements. Similarly, their phone services seem to range from basic landlines to more advanced VoIP solutions. The website also mentions television services, although specific channel lineups and package details may require contacting their sales team. One element that stands out is their emphasis on customer support accessibility. They highlight multiple contact methods, including phone, email, and potentially even social media, indicating a dedication to addressing customer inquiries effectively. It's worth noting that the information available on nexicom.net seems geared towards a general overview of their services. Potential customers seeking in-depth technical specifications or detailed pricing information may need to reach out directly for a more comprehensive understanding of their offerings. Overall, Nexicom presents itself as a community-focused telecommunications provider with a commitment to customer satisfaction. Their website provides a convenient starting point for exploring their services, and their readily available contact information suggests a willingness to engage with prospective clients. It will be interesting to see how their services compare with larger national providers, especially in terms of pricing and technological advancements. Further investigation might involve comparing their packages with competitors in their service area to fully assess their value proposition.